Want ChatGPT to remember your preferences and provide more personalized responses over time. ChatGPT Memory can save helpful details, such as how you like to work or write, so you don't have to repeat the same information in every conversation. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT Memory in 2026, so let's get started. First, sign in to your ChatGPT account and click your profile icon. Then open Settings to access your account preferences. Memory settings may vary depending on your account and region. Next, navigate to the Personalization section and locate the memory settings. Here you can see whether memory is enabled for your account. If the feature is available, you can turn it on or off whenever you want. Once memory is enabled, simply tell ChatGPT something you'd like it to remember. For example, you can save your preferred writing style, favorite programming language, or the format you like responses to follow. You stay in control of what ChatGPT remembers. You can review, edit, or delete saved memories at any time from the Memory Settings page. This lets you keep your saved information accurate and up to date. Take a moment to remove anything you no longer want ChatGPT to remember. You can always ask ChatGPT what it remembers about you. If you prefer not to use memory, return to the memory settings and disable the feature. You can also remove individual memories or clear them completely. So you've successfully learned how to use ChatGPT Memory, and that's how to use ChatGPT Memory. By saving helpful preferences and managing them whenever needed, you can enjoy more personalized conversations while staying in control of what ChatGPT remembers. Using memory thoughtfully can save time and make your everyday interactions even more convenient. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.